Welcome to St Kilda and Port Melbourne, where the sun shines bright and the beaches are calling on this glorious 27-degree March day. The streets are bustling with life as locals and tourists alike bask in the warmth of the Australian sun. St Kilda and Port Melbourne have long been beloved destinations for Melburnians seeking sun and sea, with just a close proximity to the CBD. With its vibrant atmosphere, it's no wonder these areas are personal favourites. But the allure of St Kilda and Port Melbourne extends far beyond their picturesque beaches. Steeped in history, these are areas that have witnessed the ebbs and flows of time. Today, visitors can explore the iconic St Kilda Pier, which offers stunning views of the Melbourne skyline and a chance to catch a glimpse of the resident little penguins, or take a leisurely stroll along the bustling streets lined with eclectic shops, cafes and restaurants. And let's not forget the rich maritime history of Port Melbourne. Once a bustling hub of trade and industry, today remnants of its past can still be seen in the heritage-listed buildings that line the waterfront. So whether you're seeking relaxation on the beach, a taste of Melbourne's vibrant culture, or a journey through history, St Kilda and Port Melbourne have something for everyone. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to support more visual adventures.